Hello, dear students. Welcome to the celebration of National Mathematics Day. In this auspicious occasion, let us learn about some of the famous mathematicians. Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya was the one of the Indian scholar of mathematics born in 1114 BC in Karnataka. His father was Maheswaropadhyaya, who was the first teacher to him. At the age of 36, he wrote Siddhartha Shiromani, which includes four parts: Leelavati Ganita, algebra, astronomy, sphere. He was one who introduced positive and negative signs. He said that if any number is divisible by 0, then the result is 0. Euclid. Euclid was a Greek mathematician. He is referred as the father of geometry. The systematic rules of mathematics were formulated by famous mathematician Euclid. The books of Euclid, Elements, was studied equally with the great Bible in those days. Euclid gave number of formulae on cosmic section, cone, sphere, number theory, etc. Axioms and postulates are contributions of Euclid. Pythagoras. Pythagoras was born in BC 582 in Island of Greece. His father was Hipparchus. Pythagoras developed a special interest towards the mathematics at the age of 13 only. Wonderful story around Pythagoras is his questions were hard nuts to crack and his teachers were unable to answer them. He was fond of voyage. He went around Arabia, Babylonia, India, and last he settled in Italy and established a school. Today he is remembered by the students because of his theorem, Pythagoras theorem. This theorem states as in a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two adjacent sides. Mahaviracharya. Mahaviracharya was one of the greatest mathematicians of India. Ganitasara Sangraha, the book of mathematics, has been written by Mahaviracharya in Sanskrit. This book contains 1100 slokas and was prescribed as popular study materials for a long period in South India. He is the first mathematician in the world. He discussed very important mathematical formulas. Aryabhata. The great star in the heaven of mathematics is Aryabhata. He lived between 476 to 511 AD. At the age of 23, he wrote Aryabhatiyam, composition of 108 slokas. He discussed square root, cube root, area of triangle, and astronomical information that deals with the place of planets in his books. A great contribution of Aryabhata to the world of mathematics is pi value or 3.1416. With the help of pi, he explained easy way to find out the area of the circle. In the memory of this great man, the first satellite produced in India was launched in his name in 1975 from Soviet Russia. Archimedes. Archimedes is in one among the three greatest mathematicians in the world. He was born in Syracuse, a town in Sicily, Island in Greece. His father was Phidias, a great scholar in mathematics. He studied in Alexandria of Egypt and having keen interest in geometry. His other contributions are on the sphere and cylinder, on spirals and on floating are the foundations of modern science and mathematics. A tragic event of his life was a soldier killed him unknowingly while he was solving problems. Leonard Euler. Euler is the most influential mathematician who ever lived. He was born at Switzerland. His father, Paul Euler, was also a famous mathematician. Euler learned mathematics with the help of a great mathematician, Barlini. He gave more than 8,000 contributions to the maths. All his writings are in Latin language. Euclid worked on perspective, spherical geometry, number theory, sequence, etc. Euclid used constant sign like pi, e, and I in mathematics. The major contribution of Euler is the two formula f plus v is equal to e plus 2 and n plus r is equal to a plus 2. Srinivas Ramanujan, a great genius of modern mathematician, Srinivas Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Kumbakonam of Tamil Nadu. His father was Srinivas Iyengar and mother Namgiri Devi. A book synopsis of pure mathematics changed his way of living. He understood all the problems that were given in the book and solved them in his own way. When he was in college, his lecturers used to take his help in solving mathematical problems. By reading Ramanujan's article, the great mathematician of England Hardy invited him to England. He published 32 articles of Ramanujan. Out of these 32 articles, 7 were the best in the world. In India and in Nigeria, the year 2012 is celebrated and believed as the National Mathematics Year. In India, the National Mathematics Year is celebrated as a tribute to the mathematical genius Srinivas Ramanujan, who was born on 22nd December 1887 and whose 125th birthday falls on 22nd December 2012. National Mathematics Day is celebrated every year on December 22nd to recognize the achievements of the Indian mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸೌಜನ್ಯ ಕಿರಿ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.R. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ವಸತಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 5 + 5 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5 + 5 is equal to 10. Second one, subtraction. 9 - 4 is equal to 5. 9 - 4 is equal to 5. Third one, multiplication. 6 × 6 is equal to 36. 6 × 6 is equal to 36. Fourth one, division. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.